Hare Krishna. I am Jitu Gartia. I have completed my BTech and MTech from IIT Kharagpur, and now I am giving lecture in Seven Hills schools. And I welcome you to ISKCON Bulla YouTube channel. So we see nowadays people are going for a lot of things. For example, we are going for job, we are going for cinema, we are going for restaurant, we are going for malls, we are going for many things. But there is a purpose. For example, if someone is going for restaurant, what is the purpose? Someone can say that for eating, but he can eat at home also. He can eat at nearby place also. But why to go so far? Why to go to a branded restaurant, right? For example, you take another example. Someone is going to a mall. Why? He wants to purchase a shirt, but shirt is available at nearby place also. Even if he is going to the mall, why he is searching for a fit shirt? Why he is searching for a specific color? Why he is matching the shirt and pants color? He needs a shirt, right? No, the real reason is something else. You take one example. For example, if by having little rice, some chapati, some sabji, a glass of milk, we can have sufficient nutrient for our body, whatever is required. Similarly, we can take that one for 3 times a day, weekly 7 days, monthly 30 days, and yearly 365 days. We can get sufficient nutrients. But still, we need pani puri, we need rasgulla, we need this, we need that, and many more things. We need that. Why? The reason is remaining something. So here we see there is something called as enjoyment mentality within us. That is the reason why we want samosa. That is the reason why we are looking for something tasty in food. That is the reason why we are going for different places. Why? To enjoy. To enjoy. So in our every activity, enjoyment is the main focus. Even if not now, in a long-term basis, enjoyment is the main focus. So now coming to the point, yes, by having some rasgulla, by having some gulab jamun, you can enjoy it. Now take an instance. Someone gives you one rasgulla. Yes, it will be very good. Someone gives you a plate of rasgulla. Yes, you will enjoy even more. But if someone gives you 20 rasgulla and says something bad about you, says some bad qualities of you, how you will think? Will you be able to take that one? No, that will be difficult. Why? Why? Because same rasgulla is there, same plate is there, and same person is also there, same tongue is there, same time is also there. We are not able to enjoy. Why? The main reason is there something that is called consciousness. Because yes, situation is there, but we can enjoy only if our consciousness is pure. If our consciousness is we are angry, then it will be very difficult to enjoy it. If we are arrogant, then it is very difficult to enjoy. For example, we know there are cases where students are getting higher marks and their friends are not able to enjoy, not able to cheer their friends. Why? They are friends after all, but they are not able to cheer them. Why? Because envy is there. And because of that one, because jealousy is there. In certain cases, I am not generalizing it, but the point is that consciousness plays a major role in this case. Consciousness. So now, yes, there are situations are going to come up to us. Situations are out of control. Not totally, but many times situations are out of control. But now how to enjoy the situation? We see there are cases where people have failed several of times, but still they are learning and they are enjoying the situations. So it depends upon our mood, our consciousness, that yes, situations are out of control, but we can enjoy. Even though some negative situation is there, we can learn something, apply in our life, and understand that that situation was there for us to teach us something. So consciousness plays a major role here. Consciousness plays a major role here. So now coming to the point that yes, consciousness plays a major role. So now how Krishna consciousness is going to help us? Now Krishna consciousness gives us a proper consciousness by which we can be happy in any situation in life. We are getting such a stable platform that we are not getting at all disturbed by external situation, because we are getting a stable platform. Otherwise, in unstable platform, we cannot be stable and remain happily. So Krishna consciousness, how it is giving us a stable platform is that, you see, yes, of course we are going for enjoyment, but now think about something, that yes, some gulab jamun is there, some fruit is there, so definitely there is something more tastier there in gulab jamun, or you can take rasmalai, or you can take some normal banana is also tasty, but rasmalai is more tasty. So similarly, material things are having different levels of enjoyment. So similarly, reading a novel, there also people are getting enjoyment. Research, writing out the papers, so those are also having the enjoyment. So different levels of enjoyments are there, and the maximum level of enjoyment is there in relationship. And that is why people wants to keep relation. So some days back, I know it is related to Bollywood only, but I think it was in 2013 when I heard there was a song. It was the song was that ये जिस्म है तो क्या, ये रूह का लिबास है. That means it is also indirectly saying us that what is this body? This body is just a covering of our soul. And the second line is important. ये दर्द है तो क्या, ये इश्क की तलाश है. That means we are suffering because we are not getting love. Everyone is running after love. Now talking about love. Yes, love, once we are loving someone and the other person is reciprocating with us, that can give us maximum level of fulfillment. But nowadays that is difficult. And there are two problems in love in this material world. The very first problem is that whenever we are going for love, then other person is also loving us, but in many cases that love is mixed with expectations, and that expectation is basically impurity in that love, and because of that one we are not able to get complete fulfillment. That is the point. And second point is that yes, even though someone is there who is loving us full-hearted, who is there to dedicate for ourselves fully, but still there is a problem. There is a time. There will be time. Now some year back I was a child. Now I am grown up. After some years I will be old, and after some time I will die. This is the truth for everyone. Similarly, this is the truth for other person also, that love won't stay longer. So now these are the two problems, expectations and secondly time. So now by having a Krishna consciousness, life, we are having a consciousness in which we are trying to build up a relation with Krishna. Yes, of course, now the evidence has to be given, but that is a separate class where evidence can be given. But Krishna is such a person who is not having any expectation, whose love is pure, and secondly, time cannot stop us because he is not in the material body. He is not in like our body, this five elemental body. So that is why in this way Krishna consciousness keeps us happy forever. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.